Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video 101. And yeah, we got our earnings last night. I was at my buddy's place for watching some sporting events, so I was not able to make a video last night, but I made one here today for you guys, an update on how things are going. So yeah, we got our earnings last night. It was 0.4%. So I made $71.78 on the money I've invested. And yeah, pretty sweet. As you see, it says privacy mode is automatically activated. So they have some updates, major updates going through this week, guys. Um, so that's one of them, as well as that's why, like when you go, let me see if they implemented it yet or not. So if you go to the investment tab underneath Forex, you go down. There's no combine option here still. So the people on the higher ups in the group chat that we have, they did say they're gonna bring back the combine slash merge feature, so you can merge your two or combine your two deposits, which will release the funds up to the top right, so you have access to the money. And yeah, and then from that point you can take some out, reinvest some, do whatever you want to do with it. But for now, that feature's not available because yeah, they're doing some major updates. So one of the big ones was, yeah, they made the privacy mode is actually automatically enabled. So that way you can't see your personal information, um, I guess, on your account, or others can't see it unless you enable it, or unenable it, I should say, so that people can see all your privacy information. But I guess there's some security privacy concerns, something of that nature. But nonetheless, doing pretty good so far. So going back down to investment, so I have my principal is still 23,600, and as you guys can see, I'm basically at 400, actually over 400. So I have 398 plus $50. So yeah, that takes me over 24,000 if you add all that together. And yeah, guys, zeroing in on the next or the second highest scale that they have here, earning tier. 80% goes into my pocket, 20% goes into their pocket. So I'm currently in this tier right now, which is 75% goes into my pocket and 25% goes into their pocket. That's of the daily trade. So as a result of me going up to this next level, what'll happen is I'll make like an average about maybe $5 to $10 a day, as opposed to what I'm making now. So my daily earnings, yeah, will go up, more money in my pocket. So you got to think about that, guys. If, say, take it on the low end, so if I make an extra $5 a day, that's $25 a week. That's an extra $100 a month, just because I'm going up to this next tier. But that's on the low end. It could be, if we have a really good day, I can make anywhere up to $10. So I'm gonna make an extra anywhere up to 100 to 200 basically a month when I get up to this next tier on average. So that's just so what I might actually do is I might bump up the every 2 weeks. You know how I was doing? I was taking $400 and putting it back. I might just do 500, so that way it'll grow 1,000 a month instead of 800 a month. I don't know. We'll see what I'll do at that point. But yeah, guys, wanted to give you this little update here. Things are moving along real well. Just think though, if I was to do $400 every 2 weeks, reinvest to grow my principal, which is this amount right here, my account's going to grow $800 a month. That's kind of my goal. So you got to think $800 a month times 10 months. So every 10 months, my account's going to go up $8,000, guys. And it'll just be like that forever. So like this principal will just continue to grow on and on and on forever, forever and ever. As long as, yeah, as long as I keep doing that. So it's pretty sweet. And of course, as the principal goes up, the more money I'm going to make. And then eventually, if I keep doing that, I'll be from the 25,000, I'll be going to the 50,000 tier, which is the top tier. So I'll be making 85% and on the money that is invested for the daily trade, and they'll get 15%. So that's the highest tier. So I'm thinking once I get to 50,000, I probably won't even grow it anymore. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. But I'll be making some really good money at that point, guys. But that might be like a couple years down the road. So I'm not just focusing on that. I'm just focusing on the $400 growth on my principal every 2 weeks. So that concludes my 5-minute daily review video, guys. If you're interested in signing up with S Group, click on the sign up link down below. You can join my team. If you have any emails, shoot me an email. My email's in the description. And lastly, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel and see all the updates and everything that's going on in S Group. All right, take care and see you guys in the next video.